Do you want to know about one of the easiest YouTube channel niches that can actually make some money? Let me show you. This channel posts videos about quizzes, all type of quizzes, general knowledge, science, geography, and more. According to Social Blade, they are making around $6,600 a month. I know what you are going to ask now, but Kaz, we don't have the knowledge or time to create videos like this. Don't worry, my friends, I got you. In today's video, I will show you how to create a channel like this and how to make videos like this in a few minutes. Trust me, at the end of this video, you will be able to make at least 10 videos like this per day. So let's start. First, we need a channel name. Let's go to ChatGPT and ask for name ideas. As you can see here, we have some amazing name ideas. I will choose this one. We also need a channel description. Let's ask for a description as well. Okay, now let's create a logo and a banner. I will use Leonardo AI for that. It's an AI similar to Midjourney, but it's free. You can sign up for this AI using your email. As you can see here, all of these images are actually trained AI models. Using any of these models, you can generate a similar art. I will select this model to generate our logo. I'm going to make a cartoon-looking wizard character because our channel's name is QuizWiz. In this prompt, you can type what type of artwork you need. It's actually very simple. If you are not satisfied with the first result, you can try again until you get exactly what you want. I think this one would be suitable for our channel. Now we need to create a banner for our channel. I'm going to use Canva for this. Go to Create New Designs and select the YouTube banner option. Now in this side menu, there are a lot of templates. What we are going to do is select a suitable template and edit it according to our channel. I will select this one, and now let's upload our logo and add it here. But I don't like the colors. Let's change its colors to blue. You can edit the colors like this. Take your time editing these things. Also, let's add a slogan as well. I will add a slogan like "Knowledge is power." You can also change the background color like this. Take your time editing your banner. After that, you can download it. Go to Share, then select Download. Now let me show you how to create quiz videos for our channel. We are going to use ChatGPT and Canva for that as well. We need to generate quizzes. In this example, I will create a quiz video related to science. Go to ChatGPT and use this prompt to get all the information in a table. With this prompt, it's actually very easy to get all the details, so use this exact prompt and change it according to the subject category. As you can see here, we have 10 questions related to science and answers for them. Now let's go to Canva. We need to create a template for this video, so select YouTube video. And let's start editing. First, we need to add a background video, go to Elements from the side menu and type Science. And let's select a suitable science video for this and adjust its size. After that, let's add a new text layer. This will represent the question. So I will rename it to Question. From the upper menu, you can select suitable fonts, colors, and text effects. Make sure to select a suitable effect, because this text layer should stand out more. Okay, got to Elements again and search for shapes. I will select this rectangular shape. You can edit it like this. This is where the 3 answer options are going to appear. You can edit its color like this. Let's duplicate this shape. We need 3 options. I'm going to add another circle shape, and I will add it like this in front of the answer options. This will show A, B, and C. Then I will add 3 text layers for these 3 options. Let's rename these to options 1, 2, and 3. I will duplicate this shape again. This is where the correct answer is going to appear. I'm going to rename it to the correct one. And let's add a green color to it. From the element, select this image layer and add it to the video like this. Now I'm going to add a timer or loading bar graphic for this. Go to Elements again and type the loading bar. Select a suitable graphic from here and adjust it like this. Now let's add some animations to these texts. Go to Animations from the upper menu and select suitable animations from here and add these to each text layer. Take your time editing this process. There are a lot of amazing text animations here. Spend some time playing with these animations and select suitable options for your video. but keep it simple. Now here is the most important part. We need to set a timer for each layer. In order to edit the timing of each layer, right-click on it and select Show Timing. Now you will see the purple color bar on the timeline. You can edit it and change the timing of each layer. First, a question will appear. Then 3 answer options will appear. Then we will give some time to find out the answer. This is where we will show the loading bar, and after that, the final answer will appear. This is what it will look like. Our template is almost ready now. We need to add some sound effects. You can add any sound effect to your video from Elements. I will add sound effects like this. First, I will add a sound effect when the question appears, and then I will add another whoosh sound effect when 3 answers appear. Then I will add a clock ticking sound effect to the loading bar. Finally, I will add a bell sound effect for the correct answer. This is how it will look like after adding sound effects. We need to add these sound effects to each question one by one. It's really time-consuming. Instead of that, we can do this. Delete all the elements, except background video and sound effects, and then download it. After you download that, press Ctrl+V. It will undo the things, so all elements will appear again. Now only delete the background video and add the new background video with sound effects. Our template is 100% complete. Now we need to add all 10 questions to this. Go to Apps from the side menu and select Bulk Editing, and select Enter Data manually. You will see this table. Now, go to ChatGPT and copy the table we generated and paste it here. And add another column as an image. You can download several images from Google that are suitable for these questions and upload them to Canva. After you upload that, you will be able to add those images to this table like this. After that, we need to connect each column to our layers. Right-click on each layer and select Connect Data. Select the suitable column from this and add it. Do this for all layers like this. And then click Generate. It will automatically generate our video with all 10 questions. As you can see here, we have generated our video with all 10 questions. Now, one last thing. Go to each question and add the correct answer layer on top of the correct option. Do this for all 10 questions. And then download the video. This is how our final output will look like. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you have any questions regarding this, make sure to comment it. See you in the next one.